Luxury SUVs have become the new face of premium driving, but very few manage to combine elegance, technology, comfort, and road presence as beautifully as the 2027 Genesis GV80. Today, we're looking at a breathtaking burgundy-on-burgundy configuration, a deep burgundy exterior paired with a rich burgundy interior that transforms this SUV into something truly special. This isn't just another luxury SUV trying to look expensive. The GV80 feels genuinely refined, modern, and carefully crafted in every detail. From its sophisticated exterior styling to its ultra-premium cabin and smooth performance, the 2027 GV80 proves that Genesis is no longer just competing with luxury brands, it's becoming one of the most exciting names in the segment. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 2027 Genesis GV80 in burgundy is how elegant and premium the color makes the SUV look. The deep metallic burgundy paint changes beautifully under different lighting conditions. In sunlight, it glows with rich wine-like tones, while at night it takes on a darker, almost royal appearance. It's a color that immediately gives the GV80 a more exclusive and luxurious personality. At the front, the large Genesis crest grille dominates the design with confidence. The intricate mesh pattern feels upscale and modern, framed by subtle chrome detailing that enhances the luxury appearance without becoming flashy. On both sides, the signature split LED headlights create one of the most recognizable front-end designs in today's luxury SUV market. The lighting signature is sleek, futuristic, and incredibly elegant at night. The hood features smooth sculpted lines that flow naturally into the windshield, giving the SUV a refined yet muscular presence. Unlike many modern SUVs that rely on aggressive styling, the GV80 focuses more on elegance and balance. From the side, the proportions are clean and sophisticated. The long wheelbase, flowing roofline, and carefully sculpted surfaces make the SUV look expensive from every angle. Chrome trim around the windows and lower body adds subtle contrast against the burgundy paint, while the large multi-spoke alloy wheels complete the premium look perfectly. At the rear, the split LED taillights mirror the front design, creating a clean and cohesive appearance. The rear bumper is smooth and refined, with integrated exhaust detailing that adds sophistication without unnecessary aggression. Overall, the GV80 exterior feels timeless, upscale, and beautifully restrained. Interior. Step inside the burgundy interior, and the cabin immediately feels like a luxury lounge. Genesis has designed the GV80 interior with a clear focus on comfort, craftsmanship, and modern minimalism. The burgundy leather seats are absolutely stunning. The rich color gives the interior warmth and exclusivity, while the soft leather and detailed stitching create a handcrafted premium feel. The seats are deeply cushioned and supportive, making both short drives and long journeys incredibly comfortable. The dashboard design is clean, horizontal, and elegant. A wide digital display stretches across the cabin, combining infotainment and driver information in a modern yet easy-to-use layout. Unlike some luxury vehicles that feel overly complicated, the GV80 keeps everything intuitive and calming. Soft touch materials cover nearly every surface. Real wood trim, brushed metal accents, and premium leather combine beautifully throughout the cabin. Every button, switch, and control feels carefully engineered with high-quality materials. Ambient lighting plays a major role in the experience. Soft customizable lighting flows across the dashboard and door panels, creating a relaxing atmosphere during nighttime driving. Combined with the burgundy leather, the interior feels incredibly rich and luxurious. Rear seat comfort is another major highlight. Passengers in the back enjoy excellent legroom, soft seating, and a quiet environment that feels executive-level premium. Optional rear climate controls, heated seats, and advanced comfort features elevate the experience even further. The cabin insulation is outstanding. Wind noise, road noise, and outside distractions are heavily reduced, creating one of the calmest luxury SUV interiors in its class. Performance. Under the hood, the 2027 Genesis GV80 offers refined and confident performance designed for luxury driving rather than aggressive sportiness. Depending on trim level, the SUV may feature turbocharged 4-cylinder or powerful V6 engine options, delivering smooth acceleration and effortless highway performance. The power delivery feels refined and controlled. Press the accelerator, and the GV80 responds smoothly without feeling harsh or overly aggressive. The engine produces enough power for confident overtaking and comfortable highway cruising while maintaining a relaxed driving character. The transmission shifts seamlessly, keeping the ride smooth and uninterrupted. Genesis has clearly focused on creating a premium driving experience rather than chasing extreme sport performance numbers. Ride quality is one of the GV80's strongest features. The suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections beautifully, making the SUV feel stable and composed even on rough surfaces. Adaptive suspension systems in higher trims improve comfort even further by adjusting automatically based on road conditions. Highway driving is especially impressive. The GV80 feels planted, quiet, and incredibly refined at higher speeds. Long-distance travel becomes effortless thanks to the smooth ride quality and excellent cabin insulation. Fuel efficiency is competitive for a luxury SUV of this size, especially with smaller turbocharged engine options. Higher performance trims naturally consume more fuel, but they reward drivers with stronger acceleration and more effortless power delivery. Driving experience. Driving the GV80 feels calm, smooth, and premium in every situation. The steering is precise without being overly heavy, making the SUV easy to maneuver in city traffic while still feeling stable on highways. Despite its size, the GV80 feels balanced and composed. Parking assistance systems, surround view cameras, and advanced driver aids make urban driving surprisingly stress-free. On highways, the SUV transforms into a luxury cruiser. The suspension smooths out imperfections effortlessly, while the quiet cabin creates a relaxing atmosphere for both driver and passengers. One of the most impressive parts of the GV80 driving experience is how isolated and refined it feels. Genesis has clearly engineered this SUV to prioritize comfort, silence, and smoothness above everything else. It's not trying to behave like a sports car. Instead, it delivers true modern luxury SUV comfort, and it does it exceptionally well. Price and value. As a premium luxury SUV, the 2027 Genesis GV80 competes directly with established European rivals. Depending on trim level, engine choice, and optional features, pricing is expected to range between approximately $60,000 and $95,000. Higher trims with premium materials, advanced suspension systems, and larger engines naturally cost more. However, the GV80 often delivers comparable luxury, technology, and comfort at a more competitive price than many traditional luxury competitors. For buyers seeking a modern luxury SUV with exceptional value, premium craftsmanship, and standout styling, the GV80 remains one of the strongest choices in the segment. The burgundy on burgundy 2027 Genesis GV80 is a perfect example of modern luxury done right. Elegant without being flashy, comfortable without feeling disconnected, and technologically advanced without becoming complicated, the GV80 creates a driving experience that feels genuinely premium. From its rich burgundy exterior to its handcrafted burgundy interior, from its smooth performance to its quiet and refined ride quality, every part of this SUV feels carefully designed to deliver luxury in a modern and tasteful way. In a crowded luxury SUV market, the GV80 stands out not by being loud, but by being effortlessly sophisticated. If you enjoyed this detailed luxury SUV review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more premium automotive content.